Hello students, good morning. So in today's video lecture we have discussed about some of the English grammar questions, practice questions related with English grammar. Already we have discussed about some of the chapters, but in today's video lecture we are going to discuss about some of the practice questions which is very important for your examination. So our first question number 1, which is related with Change the Voice chapter. So question is, let us reward our employees. So generally this is one of the question which will be asked for the change the voice. Okay, so we should know about what exactly the formula of change the voice. Earlier we have discussed about some of the formulas. So here sentence starts or begins with let. Okay, so first we take let. What exactly the formula here? Let plus object plus be plus V3 form of the verb plus by plus whatever the accusative case subject included in the sentence we have to write there. Okay, so what exactly the passive voice of this sentence? Let our employees be rewarded by us. So this is the passive voice of the given sentence. Okay, so this is one of the unique sentence. You should know about some of the practice questions related with some of the chapters. Second question, let this case be handled by a supreme court advocate. So this is one of the sentence and you have to just convert this sentence, change this sentence into active voice. Already this sentence made with passive voice, so that's why you have to convert this sentence in active voice. What exactly the answer? First you take let there, let, after that a supreme court advocate handle this case. So this is the active voice of the given sentence. So you should know about this is unique sentence. Earlier we don't discuss that particular type of sentence, so that's why I just take this particular sentence. Okay, so next some of the unique sentence. Question number 3. The music interested me. Okay, and you have to convert this sentence in passive voice. So change the voice. So what exactly the answer? So answer of this question, me converted into I. Okay, so I was, why I used here was because this sentence is in the simple past tense, so that's why I took here was. After that V3 form, and that is interested. I was interested in the music. So sometime you need not to use by in the sentence. Okay, you have to use here in instead of by. So that particular part you should know very well. Question number 4. Okay, question number 4. Question number 4. The water reflected the blue sky. The blue sky. Okay. Change the voice. Change the voice. So what exactly the answer of this question? The blue sky was reflected in the water. So this is the answer of this question. So here also you need not to use by. So sometimes we don't use by. You should know what is the requirement of sentence, and you have to write down the proper preposition there, because by is a preposition in the passive voice. So question number 5th. The fire caught the house. Okay, so change the voice. So what exactly the answer of this question? The house was caught in the fire. So this is the answer of this question. Question number 6. That news surprised her. Okay, so change the voice. Answer of this question: she was surprised at that news. Okay, here also I need not to use by. Okay, so this is one of the new pattern for you, so that's why just try to understand what is the construction of these sentences. Okay, so his behavior satisfied me. Okay, so change the voice. Answer of this question: I was satisfied with his behavior. So this is one of the unique part. So that's why this video is very important to solve change the voice questions. Question number 8. Go there. Change the voice. So now in the given sentence there is no object. How can you convert this sentence into passive voice? So just observe what exactly the construction I will do in the sentence. Okay, go there. I. What exactly the meaning of this sentence? I request you to go there. Okay, there is no subject in the imperative sentence. As we all know about imperative sentence, in imperative sentence in Marathi Ajñarthi Vakya, in imperative sentence there is no any subject, but we consider you as a subject in the imperative sentence. So that's why you can pronounce this sentence, I request you to go there. So just focus on this particular sentence, I request you to go there, and you just make this sentence into passive voice. So you are requested to go there. So this is the answer, or this is the passive voice of the given sentence. Question number 9. Sit down. So change the voice. So what exactly the answer of this question? So what is the answer of this question? Sit down means you are ordered. Okay, so in the given sentence you order to sit down. Okay, you are ordered to sit down. So what exact the passive voice of the given sentence? You are ordered. Okay, you are ordered to sit down. So this is the answer of the given sentence. So just try to understand next question, that is question number 10. Question number 10. What is the question? Love your parents. Okay, love your parents. You just make this sentence into passive voice. Okay, change the voice. So now in the given sentence there is no object which we can use in the particular sentence. So that's why your parents should be loved. So this is the answer of this question. So question number 11 here. What is the question number 11? Question number 11. Open the door. Change the voice. Answer of this question. Let the door be opened. So this is the answer of this question. Already we have discussed about this particular type. Next question. She gave the prince a bag of seeds. So here there are how many objects? Change the voice. How many objects in the given sentence? There are two objects in the given sentence. So that's why you make two answers. How many answers? Two answers. So first answer, what is the first answer? The prince was given a bag of seeds by her. This is the first answer. And what exact the second answer? So second answer is a bag of seeds was given to the prince by her. So this is the another answer. So there are two answers here. Next question number 13. A magazine in Hong Kong offered me a well paid job. Okay, and you have to change the voice of the given sentence. So what exact the answer of this question? I was offered a well paid job by a magazine in Hong Kong. Okay, so this is the answer. Next answer, a well paid job was offered to me by a magazine in Hong Kong. So this is the another answer, because in the given sentence there are two objects. So that's why you should make two answers of this question. Question number 14. They gave me an opportunity, an opportunity. So change the voice, change the voice. So answer of this question, an opportunity was given to me by them. So this is the answer of the sentence. Question number 15. Question number 15. She is to write a letter. So here to write, what exactly the to write? To write is an infinitive verb. To write आहे तो काय आहे सेंटेन्स मध्ये? इन्फिनिटिव्ह वर्ब आहे. सो इन्फिनिटिव्हचं जर वाक्य असेल आणि त्याचा जर तुम्हाला पॅसिव्ह वॉइस करायचा असेल तर त्यासाठी सुद्धा काही कन्स्ट्रक्शन्स आहेत. त्या ठिकाणी मी तुम्हाला काही एक्झाम्पल्स सॉल्व करतो म्हणजे तुमच्या लक्षात येईल की काय कन्स्ट्रक्शन्स आहेत. सो द आन्सर ऑफ द 15 क्वेश्चन इज अ लेटर is to be. A letter is to be written by her. So this is the answer of the question. Question number 16. I am to eat a mango. Okay, I am to eat a mango. So change the voice. So the answer of this question, a mango is to be eaten by me. Okay. Question number 17 here. He has to complete his homework. Change the voice. Answer of the question, the homework has to be completed by him. So this is the answer of the question. Question number 18. There is no book to read. So change the voice. Answer of this question, there is no book to be read. So this is the answer of the infinitive type sentences and its answer. Okay, this is very easy part. You should have practiced a lot. Next sentence, question number 19. You should not mix food and discussions. So change the voice. Answer, food and discussions should not be mixed by you. So this is the answer. And the last question number 20. Mass immigration would have solved the problem of population. Change the voice. change the voice. So what exact the answer? So answer is the problem of population would have been solved by mass immigration. So this is the answer of this question. So I hope students you all understand this particular practice questions very well. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन बघा, क्वेश्चन नंबर 21. क्वेश्चन नंबर 21, humans have changed ecosystems. Okay, change the voice. Answer of this question: ecosystems have been changed by humans. So this is the answer. Question number 22, we cannot take for granted the ability of Earth's ecosystem to sustain. हॉरिबल एग्जाम्पल आहे जरा, पण अवघड नाही. फर्दर जनरेशन्स. याचं काय करायचं तुम्हाला? चेंज द वॉइस. सो आन्सर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन: द ability of Earth's ecosystem to sustain further generations cannot be taken for granted by us. Okay, next question number 23, 8 colleges had turned him down. Change the voice. So the answer of this question: he had been turned down by 8 colleges. Question number 24. You should cut the vegetables into large pieces. So याचा चेंज वॉइस करायचा आपल्याला. The vegetables should be cut into large pieces by you. Question number 25. Question number 25. The passenger can collect the amount. Change the voice. So the answer of this question: the amount amount can be collected by the passengers. ठीक है. Next question number 26. The women must clearly understand the fundamental causes of the drought. Change the voice. Answer. The fundamental causes of the drought must be clearly understood by the women. Question number 27. Some kind of force was driving me. Answer of this question. I was being driven by some kind of force. Next, question number 28. Mrs. Brownch had cast an incredibly long shadow. Answer of this question. An incredibly long shadow had been cast by Mrs. Brownch. Next, question number 29. The feminine touch greatly benefits male dominated forces. So answer of this question. The male dominated forces are greatly benefited by the feminine touch. And the last question, question number 30. She resolutely cleans up the mess. So the answer, the mess is resolutely cleaned up by her. So this is the answer of this question. So I hope students you enjoyed this video lecture which was related with active voice and passive voice and its practice questions, which is very important for your examination. Everyone knows English grammar very well, but there are very few who are able to implement this knowledge into sentence making and into examination. So that's why this video is very important for you. So I hope you enjoyed this video very well. So thank you very much.